Ko hoki mai a Holly Robinson ki te taumā heke pararaiha o te ao.
I can't believe this is going to be my 4th Paralympics. I never knew as a young girl wanting to represent my country that I'd be sitting here and saying, hey, I'm heading to my 4th and I'm heading there as a reigning champion for my specialist event javelin. So I'm very proud.
I ngā tau kua hori, kua riro ia Robinson ngā metara e rua. He kaura ki Tokyo, he hiriwa anō hoki ki Rio. He oi anō, ko tāpiri mai ia he hākina kina hou mo tēnei whakataetai.
So I'm doing javelin and shot put this time round, which is a whole different scenario for me. They're both so different. Javelin is a very, very technical event and you have to get so many things right for it to fly far. I've found that I am a lot newer to shot put, so I can get away with a few things, but they're both so different.
He whakapapa tā Robinson kia Ngāi Tahu me tōna hononga kia Oraka-Aparima. Kāre anō ia kia tai atu ki tōna marae a te takutai o te titi ki roto o Colic Bay.
The last few years has been a big learning curve for me. So I left home at 16 to pursue my athletics career, and that was sort of when I started looking into my Māori heritage, my whakapapa and what that looks like. We've been down to visit our maraes down south, which has been really special, and sort of just moving along that journey as I go. Next steps are obviously connecting with the iwi and the people down there in the community for us.
Aha koa ngā wero o te pakeke haere o te kaipara nei, hei tā Robinson, me whakapau kaha ia, hei toa whakaihu waka.
I want to be standing on the top of the podium. That's my ultimate goal in the javelin. And then a secondary medal in the shot would be really exciting and really realistic for me as well. So I'd love to double medal. But also I want to go and showcase what I can do and do it in the way that I'm proud of.
Hei te whā, me te ono o hepetema, ka tū ngā whakataetai o Robinson mo te wāhanga tau, me te panga mata. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.